I have included both 2018 and 2019 version MOGRTs. You can change font in 2019 version templates. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Let's open Premiere Pro. Let's create new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel to import templates. Go to Windows, then select Essential Graphics. Click on this plus icon to import MOGRTs. Import them all one by one. I have already imported them, so I am not going to import it again. Place template to the timeline. Select template, then go to Edit tab. Here you can change text, font, color, position, scale, etc. Let's change text and its font. You can also increase or decrease its font size. Now let's change text and shape color. Here you can change animation position and scale. These templates have only an animation. To make out animation, trim template according to your need. Let's suppose you want animation 10 seconds long. Trim template and make it 5 seconds long. Then make a duplicate of it and place it like that. Now right-click on duplicated template and select speed/duration, then enable reverse speed. That's it. Thanks for watching.